महाराष्ट्र के गवर्नर सीपी राधाकृष्णन ने कहा कि बढ़ते हुए सरकारी खर्चात के साथ तखमीना कमेटियों के किरदार और जिम्मेदारियों में भी इजाफा हुआ है। गवर्नर मुंबई में कानून साझेदारों की तखमीना कमेटियों की कौमी कॉन्फ्रेंस के अख्तामी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। गवर्नर ने कमेटियों से अपील की कि वो बेहतर तर्ज हुक्मरानी और मालियाती नज़्म ज़ब्त को यकीनी बनाने के लिए ज़्यादा फ़आल तरीके से काम करें।
And fought for the self-respect, and by keeping himself outside only with the people, he restored the self-respect of India. That is great Paul Thakreji, and his contribution for restoring the self-respect cannot be forget. And the Maharashtra state legislature had a long and illustrious history, giving its unique status in the country. Only last year, the Maharashtra Legislative Council celebrated 1 century of its meaningful existence and service in the august presence of the Honorable President of India, Srimati Murmuji. Maharashtra has given the nation some of the unique ideas and schemes. The revolutionary Employment Guarantee Scheme was conceived and unveiled in Maharashtra way back in the 1970s. We are all very proud of it, and later it was adopted at the national level. One thing I always admire about the Maharashtra is that there are extremely cordial relationship between the treasury benches and the opposition at the personal level. This is something missing in many states. And we all have to follow and learn that how to be very cordial outside the assembly or the legislative council in public life. And I am going to complete 1 year as the governor of Maharashtra by 31st July.